Welcome to the Competitor Research tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you 4 different ways to do competitor research. Let's start with the first method, which is the easiest and quickest, using Market Insights, the main dashboard of the software. You'll find 2 key sections to quickly analyze top-performing sellers: the trending eBay product section and the trending dropshipper section. But first, to receive seller data that best fits your eBay business model, it's important to navigate to Seller Settings and set your marketplace, business model, and source website. Every seller shown is aligned with the seller settings you selected. In my case, all of them are dropshippers sourcing their products from Amazon. Now, if you see a flame next to the spy icon, it means that this competitor's store is generating high sales relative to their overall listed products in their store. So, they're definitely worth a closer look. When you choose a competitor, simply click on the spy icon again, and you'll get a full analysis of that seller. On the left, you'll see how ZIK identifies the seller. In this case, the seller is a dropshipper using Amazon and Walmart as sources. You'll also see their country and eBay ID. Then you'll get a deeper breakdown, including sell-through rate, number of active listings, number of sold items, total sales revenue, successful listings, which are products that generated more than one sale, eBay seller feedback score, and average product price. All of this data is updated in real time and can be filtered by sales date range from the last 30, 21, 14, or 7 days. In addition to that, you can also use the filters in ZIK to narrow results by number of sales in your selected date range, overall lifetime sales, since the product was listed, current price. For example, to see only the winning products of this competitor, I can apply filters to show only products that were sold at least 2 times in the last 7 days and have a minimum current price of $10. This helps me focus on products with higher profit potential. Just like that, I'll get a list of products that match these filters. From there, I can simply click on the item finder to source each product. Now, take note of the match indicators in the item finder. Exact match will be shown with a green check mark. This means the product from eBay was matched perfectly with the one from the supplier. Similar match will be shown with the supplier's logo only, but without the green check mark, indicating a close but not exact match. No match will be shown as an empty red box, meaning the tool couldn't automatically find a supplier listing. Pro tip, don't skip over these no match products. These often indicate that sellers made an extra effort to hide their source, which usually means the product has high profit margins. You can still find these products manually by searching the eBay product title on the supplier's website or using Google Lens for image search. The idea is to get the ID of the product. For Amazon products, it will be the HASIN, which is the identification code of the product. For Walmart, it will be the Walmart product ID. Once you have it, simply copy and add it to the item finder. Click reload, and you'll get a match for the previously not found product. And if you want to analyze the product even further and see what other sellers are offering it under the same or similar title, you can click on Analyze Product. This feature is a great way to find even more competitors selling products you're already interested in. And for dropshippers, you can even sort the results by dropshippers only to uncover more relevant sellers to scan. Now, if you like a specific seller and want to track their store regularly and catch their newest best-selling products, you can simply add them to your watch list. Leave a note about this competitor and click Save Competitor. They'll then be available in your watch list for future scans and insights. Another great way to find competitors that match your selling model is through the trending dropshippers. This section is inside the Market Insights dashboard. Simply choose a seller and click on the spy icon to scan it. The nice thing is that both trending eBay products and trending dropshippers lists update every 24 hours. This gives you unlimited opportunities to discover new sellers and spot trends early. You can also find competitors by entering part of the supplier's product title, for example, from Amazon or your private supplier, into the product research tool. Instantly, you'll get a list of eBay sellers using similar titles, helping you find even more competitors to research. Lastly, another method is by going directly to any seller on eBay, clicking their store name, navigating to the About section, and copying their seller ID. Paste that ID into the competitor research tool inside ZIK, and within seconds, you'll get a full analysis of that seller. Note, 95% of eBay sellers are monitored by ZIK Analytics. If a seller isn't in the system yet, they'll be added to the waiting list, and ZIK will gather all available data within minutes, so you can analyze them just like any other seller. And don't forget, anywhere you see the spy icon in the ZIK's tools, you can click on it to get a full breakdown of the competitor store, products, and performance. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our customer support team. They'll be happy to assist you. Have a great day and happy selling.